how you guys can use Telegram in laptop. Simply open up your Google Chrome browser or any browser that you guys want to use, and then after that you simply type in Telegram over here, and then after that type in download for laptop. Now once you guys do this, it's going to take just a few seconds, and then after that you guys are going to be given the option for desktop.telegram.org. Now if Telegram doesn't load for you, simply use a free VPN like I do, which is called ZenMaid, or any other VPN of your choice, and then after that simply reload, and then now from over here Telegram is going to open up. Now you guys can basically click on get Telegram for Windows x64, and now Telegram is going to be downloaded on your computer, and you guys can basically save it wherever you want, and you guys can use it on your computer as well. So guys, that is how you guys can basically use Telegram on your laptop. As soon as you guys install it, well then after that it's going to be just like your phone, and you guys can use it for whatever you might need to. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.